Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in this video we are talking about space. We know space is very vast, right? And we haven't fully understood what is there in the universe, about its existence, about various materials that are present there. So in order to study these things, in order to detect and survey and study about dark matter, dark energy, about new planets, about new galaxies, about new suns, right? A mission has been launched here, right? And it is USA space agency, that is NASA, that have unveiled this Nancy Grace Roman space telescope. This is a very powerful vast field observatory that is designed to survey the vast regions of the universe and detect planets that are beyond our solar system. You can see this space view, right? We are seeing that this Nancy Grace space telescope will have a larger view, correct? As you can see, this James Webb space telescope, for example, has this square of field view, but this Nancy Grace telescope will have such a large, that is 100 times field of view than that of James Webb space telescope, right? It will be talking about dark matter, it will be studying the dark energy, about various planets. So it will be a game changer, correct, in the space sector. Who is Nancy Grace? Nancy Grace, if we talk about her, she was a very famous first chief astronomer, often called as the mother of the Hubble Space Telescope, and this is for her pioneering role in advancing space-based astronomy. If we talk about this Roman Space Telescope, it was built with $4 billion in funding. It is a more than a decade-long project which has positioned, and this will be positioned 1.5 million kilometers from the Earth to study space. This particular telescope will transmit around 11 trillion or 11 terabytes of data to Earth every single day. 11 TB of data will be studied, or it will be given to the Earth for research and study. Right now, students, based on this, let's discuss some important MCQs. First question: which country's NASA's Artemis 2 mission expected to reach a record-breaking distance from Earth in 2026? So again, this mission is of, this Artemis 2 is of which country? It is of United States of America. Important, students, take a note. Then next is, in March, which private company achieved a milestone by landing their Starship spacecraft on Moon? So, which private company has recently achieved this milestone? It was by SpaceX. Next, which space agency manages the Copernicus Sentinel-2 mission, which recently captured high-resolution images of the 2026 Winter Olympic venues? It is European Space Agency. Then, what was the theme of ISRO's START 2026 program, which concluded on April 2026? So, it is for exploring the solar system. Next, which telescope recently discovered S/2025 U1, the 29th satellite of the moon of, that is the moon of Uranus? So, which was discovered by James Webb Space Telescope. Then, scientists at which Indian institute proposed Pratyush mission to study the cosmic dawn from the far side of the moon? It was by Raman Research Institute, that is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Next, which asteroid was recently confirmed by NASA to have no risk of colliding with the moon in 2032? It is asteroid 2024 YR4. Eighth question: in early 2026, James Webb Space Telescope made a significant discovery by detecting water vapor in atmosphere of which type of celestial body? It was in a rocky exoplanet, right? Water was discovered. Next, Ninth question, which Indian organization collaborated with Satcom Industry Association of India to release cybersecurity guidelines for the space ecosystem in 2026? That is CERT-N, that is Indian Computer Emergency Response Team. 10th question, what major milestone did the International Space Station celebrated in 2026? It was the 25th anniversary. Your homework, students, is to tell me what is the International Space Station name of China, what is the name of India, and when India is planning to launch their own International Space Station, and when will be the first module of it will be launched. So these are your important MCQs on space and the important topic about the Roman Space Telescope that will study the dark matter, dark energy and various planets unveiled by NASA. And the name here is Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. Nancy Grace, a very famous first astronomer, right, for the chief astronomer of Hubble Space Telescope, also known as the mother of Hubble Space Telescope. So that's all for the day, friends. Happy learning.